Hello dear friends, I welcome you all to Awesome English. In this video, we are going to find out some words which are commonly mispronounced by many people. And if you are one of them, this is the right time for you to fix your mistakes. Let's find out these words. The first word we have, it is almond. Many people mispronounce it as almond, but the correct pronunciation of this word is almond. ASTHMA. This is not asthma, this is asthma. COLONEL. It is not colonel, it is colonel. DATA. This is, I think, one of the most commonly mispronounced word, and people pronounce it as data, but it is not like that. It is data. Data. DEBRIS. It is not debris, it is debris. Debris. EPITOME. It is not epitome, but actually it is epitome. Yes, one more word. ETCETERA. It is not etc., which is mispronounced generally. This is etc. etc. GENRE. This is not genre. No, this is genre. Genre. Yeah, one more. BREAK. Break. FAST. Obviously it is fast, so it is breakfast. But dear friends, this is not breakfast. This is pronounced as breakfast. Breakfast. SWORD. It's not sword, this is sword. Sword. GESTURE. It is not gesture, this is gesture. Gesture. HYPER. BOLE. Hyperbole. No. This is not hyperbole, but this is hyperbole. Hyperbole. Yeah. And this word is commonly mispronounced by students. Synonym, or many other pronunciation may be there, wrong pronunciation. So the correct one is synonym. Synonym. Same is the case with antonym also. The next one we have VEGETABLE. Vegetable? No, this is vegetable. Vegetable. TOMB. Obviously COMB, com. TOMB, Tom. But not, it is not Tom, it is tomb. CHAOS. It's not chaos, it is chaos. Chaos. Yeah. Let's go to a restaurant. You might have heard someone saying this, restaurant, but this is not restaurant, this is restaurant. Restaurant. One more. Suggestion. Yeah, if you pronounce it as suggestion, so I think you should correct yourself. This is suggestion. Suggestion. The next one, MISCHIEVOUS. This is mischievous. People pronounce it as mischievous, but this is mischievous. Jewelry. It is not jewelry, it is jewelry. Jewelry. Suite. It's not suit, it is sweet. Sweet. Next we have adjective. People pronounce it as adjective, but this is not adjective, this is pronounced as adjective. Adjective. comfortable. Comfortable. Many people pronounce it as comfortable, but this is comfortable. Comfortable. democracy. This is not democracy. It is not democracy. This is democracy. Democracy.